Today's topic is, how to analyze data in Tableau. In this video, we will analyze TCS revenue and expenses of the last 10 years. We required a profit and loss account. It can easily get from the internet. Copy data and paste to Excel. Remove unnecessary data. In Transpose, open Tableau.
For connect Excel file to Tableau,
Click on Microsoft Excel. Drag and drop sheet. The select column which not required. Right-click and hide. If show hide fields, click here.
we can change each column based on data. By clicking this symbol, see the options available. Like, number as decimal, number as whole, date, and time, date, string, boolean. We select the date.
By double-click, rename worksheet to revenue and expenses of last 10 years.
Select F1 date, depreciation and amortization expenses, employee benefit expenses, other expenses, total revenue. Then click on Show Me. We can see here all possible charts types based on selected data. Select horizontal bars. For hiding Show Me, click here. For swap rows and columns, click here. Next. Change row sequence, select and drag name. Select employee benefit expenses and drag to first. Select depreciation and amortization expenses and drag to second. Click on Sum employee benefit expenses under Marks. Select employee benefit expenses % and drop Set on label. And employee benefit expenses to color. We'll show you show percentage on bar and change color based on the amount of employee benefit expenses. Same do with depreciation and amortization expenses as well as other expenses. In the case of total expenses, we drag only total expenses amount to color, and the same with total revenue. Now we change the color of each bar. Click on Employee Benefit Expenses, click on a color, edit color. Select Palette from drop-down option. Click OK. Same doing with others. Try different palette to see the change in color. I have used a different color. Now, it's looking good. Something is missing, % on the bar. In the table, click on Depreciation and Amortization Expenses % of the corner. Default Property. Number Format. Click on Number Custom Add Suffix %. Click OK. Same with employee benefit expenses % as well as other expenses %. We can see here some % are not visible. Change Fit from Standard to Entire View. Now we can see % on each bar clearly. We can change the title of the chart by double-clicking on the name of chart. And also format the name of the chart here. We can also change the format of each row. Right-click, click on Format. I done some formatting here. We can filter data by a selection of different years. We can remove filter. Click to remove. Click on New Dashboard. Select Sheet and drop Set. Remove unisensory details by clicking Closed. Now, we can change screen resolution based on a receiver screen, so they can easily understand and analyze data. Percent shows are calculated on total expenses. We can analyze that TCS expenses is increasing every year, and they spend around 65% of total expenses on employees' benefit expenses in 2020. First 3 years depreciation and amortization expenses are stable and then increase slightly. Other expenses are more in 2014 and 2015.